Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So it's been a while since I've done one of these, but they're super fun. And we're gonna do an acrylic pour with all these colors. Took me kind of forever to mix up. And let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 colors. Okay, did the math wrong earlier. 25 colors. And so I'm going to pour them into this 16-ounce cup. This is a 14 by 14 canvas. It's going to take a little bit, so I'm going to speed this part of the video up. And here we go. All right, we've got our colors all poured in there. The cup already itself looks super fun. So now I'm gonna just get everything out of the way, and then we're gonna go ahead and pour on the canvas. Okay, and as usual, we're going to do a tree ring here. This is quite a bit of paint in this cup, but I think it's going to come out pretty awesome. And as a note, I am using different paints and everything than normal. I actually used Decoart Pouring medium today with the Decoart fluid acrylics. Except for the yellow and blue are Artist Loft Flow acrylics, because I didn't have those in the fluid acrylics. So, and then everything was mixed with the Decoart Pouring medium, because I am still out of my usual Floetrol. Awesome. This looks really killer. You want to come look? My daughter's in here. Come look. It's so cool. And we have these cells just popping up.
I made a resin flower.
And there you go. She made a resin flower. Okay. So here we go. Just going to slowly tilt. I did notice, and this was interesting in trying to mix all these colors, the pigments of the Decoart were so much brighter and stronger than the Artist Loft Flow acrylics, like so much so that it was actually really hard to mix any colors with the blue or the yellow, because whatever color I was mixing them with would just get dwarfed. And as you can see, we have virtually no blue in here. Lots of orange and red. That's pretty cool though, and definitely not kind of my usual color scheme. I was going for more rainbow, but I suppose that will do. I think we're gonna have a lot of cells popping up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse this while we let this sit here. All right, so we're back. Definitely lots of cells developing in here, and we got that cloud effect up in here. So we're gonna go ahead and do our close-up. Here's the bottom right corner. Lots of pink cells popping up through there. The warm colors here obviously completely dominated. I see like no green, virtually no blue. I mean, you can see like tiny little bits in here, but it's just dwarfed by that red and orange. Tiny little bits through here as well. This middle part is pretty fun. Definitely got that cloud effect. Coming down here to the lower left-hand corner, and then back to the overall. There we go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.